In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove billing address from Shopify checkout. Start by opening your Shopify admin and navigating to the settings area. From there, choose checkout. This is where Shopify centralizes all the options that control how customers move through the payment process. So it's the right place to adjust address collection settings. Once you're in the checkout settings, scroll down to the Advanced Preferences section. Look for the part labeled Address Collection. This is the control panel that determines whether customers are asked for shipping and billing addresses, and how those fields behave. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the options shown here, so you know what each one changes on the checkout page. If you want customers to be able to enter a separate shipping and billing address, select the option that allows shipping and billing addresses to be different. That keeps the separate fields available for shoppers who need them, but it doesn't force the billing address to populate automatically from the shipping address. To effectively remove the billing address from appearing pre-filled, choose the setting that specifies the shipping address should not be used as the billing address by default. This makes the billing address field start empty instead of copying the shipping information automatically. What that does in practice is reduce the chance that customers will unintentionally submit outdated or incorrect billing data, while still allowing them to provide billing details if needed by their payment method. There are also optional fields in the same section you'll want to consider. You can set the company name and phone number to be either optional or required for shipping. If you don't need those details for fulfillment, marking them optional reduces friction and speeds up checkout. If they're necessary for shipping labels or contact purposes, keep them required. A few practical tips as you make these adjustments. Keep your customer experience in mind. Minimizing required fields usually improves conversion, but make sure any required information is truly necessary for processing orders. After changing these settings, preview your checkout flow to confirm the forms appear the way you expect and that customers still can complete purchases with their chosen payment methods. These small updates help keep your checkout clean and user-friendly while preserving the information you need to fulfill orders reliably.